Good afternoon, theme park junkie fans. We're here at Universal Studios Orlando, and we're going to be doing the Harry Potter update, the Terminator progress update, and the City Walk update. So let's start walking around and get this video started. Come on. Alright guys, well the old Emerald, well the rumor is, and what I've kind of can confirm from employees, is that it's going to be BIGFIRE Grill. And so if you do a little cross-reference on the internet, you'll see that they do have a permit that was pulled for BIGFIRE Grill. So we believe that's what's going to be there. That would be a BIGFIRE Grill steakhouse that replaces Emerald. If you look around, I mean, you could start to see some construction going on inside. It's basically just like a lot of demo process going on. And there is a little bit of like stuff. I'll try to get you a little bit closer. Hey guys, you can see they have the windows all blacked out because they are putting all fresh paint. So it's going to be black and white. I guess those colors fit the theme for the steakhouse. Trying, guys. It looks like those are the plans hanging up. I'll try to stay still if one of you guys can have an editing software to zoom that up. I'm thinking that's what the interior is going to look like. That'll do it for the update here for the new steakhouse called BIGFIRE Grill. Alright guys, well while we're heading on into the park through the old secret entrance, not much of a secret anymore, I just want to say if you like what we do here guys, don't forget to push that subscribe button and that bell notification. That way you can be updated just as soon as we drop our videos. Speaking of dropping our videos, we drop our videos every single Sunday and every other Wednesday. So just keep that in mind. So, as you can see, the lingerie is closed. It's just going through a remodel, so within the next, I'd say, probably 2 months, I'd say it's back up and running, but that's just what I think. So, like I said, the lingerie is closed for a redo. Alright, so got another update coming for the old T2 3D. So we're gonna get some footage of that for you. Alright guys, so when you come into the store where the exit of Terminator 2 3D was, you can see they haven't really done anything here. It's still got the 3D glasses drop off. The signs, the doors, everything's still here. Okay, so what I wanted to show you guys was this. So, if they have Doctor Who product sitting at the exit of the old T2 3D ride, and I know that they're going to replace it with, pretty much sure it's going to be the Bourne series of show ride, but Are they hinting something off? Are they just messing with us? I don't know. Leave a comment, let me know. Alright guys, so this is on the side of the T2 3D ride. And you can see, pretty much like scaffolding and putting up like, because they're extending the theater out, so that's all the work that they've done to extend the theater. Alright, so we're gonna go and jump on the back side and get you some footage. Alright guys, we are on the back side of the T2 3D old ride, the newborn. And you can see, I was standing here last week and there was nothing. This was completely gutted. You could see all the way in, nothing but blue tarps. There is complete walls. This is crazy. Like I said, look, it is completely done. All the walls are up. You can kind of see inside a little bit there. Let's go slow. There we go. Alright, so there's still tarps up inside. But the walls are done, and if you look up here, they have a big exhaust. Which means they're gonna have indoor pyrotechnics, as I think so. Because they gotta vent all that heat out. So basically, the shot that I was getting you earlier, the inside of the park, is right here. So this is like an extension that they've added on to the existing theater, even though they've expanded a lot of the theater. So I don't know if this is something to do with the show or Q. I don't know, guys. I really don't. But they're moving right along. So that's your T2 3D Born Ride update. And while I'm back here, Scooby-Doo van. Alright guys, sorry. We were walking by and we had to stop. One of our favorite rides is EP. It's still one of the original rides left in the building. And so we're going to enjoy the ride. And then we'll be right back. Alright guys, well we're about to get on the ride. I'm putting my camera away now. Bye E.T.
Goodbye, Game Joe.
Yay, that was us. Alright guys, we're gonna go on the Hogwarts and jump over to Islands of Adventure to do the Harry Potter update. So I just wanted to say that the park is not all that crowded. I mean, it's a little bit crowded. And sorry that we're getting another Harry Potter video update twice in the same week. I know one just released on Sunday and today's Wednesday, but there's just so much happening over there that I'm having to do double updates. So let's get on over there and see some of the new stuff that's happening. Alright guys, well, we're back where we started. We are completely done with our updates today. We did the T2 3D, we did Harry Potter, and we did the City Walk update. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like what we do, please don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel. We'd greatly appreciate it, and turn on that bell notification. Please also like if you like what we do. And leave comments down below and tell us what you want to see next, and if you want to keep seeing what we currently do. We appreciate everything you guys do, and thank you for watching. So I'm Joe.
I'm Jeanette.
And until next time, we'll see you at a theme park. Bye guys.